Good morning to my lecturer, Madam Masyara. I hope you always be fine at PKPB session. So I will present about the environment aspect and impact on construction activity, including each recommendation on the environment impact. So my name is Muhammad Afiq Kuzairi bin Kamaruddin. So my group mate Muhammad Akmal and Muhammad Hafiz Ainuddin. So, for the first work process, it will be at constructions activity site preparation. Site preparation involve the demolition or wrecking of building and other structure, clearing and building site, and sale of material from demolished structure. So for the first environment aspect is soil clearing and land leveling. Land leveling to provide a slope which fit a water supply and to level the fields to the best condition. The environmental impact treat to the environment lies with the irreversible clearance and can destroy an entire ecosystem, causing environmental threats such as greenhouse gas emission, a rise in soil salinity, the decrease and even extinction in indigenous indigenous flora and fauna, as well as erosion. For recommendation, by using land clearing in a small scale setting, such as a backyard and gardening area, the effects are far less severe compared to agriculture related land clearing. In order to prevent mass environmental negative impact, land clearing should be prevented. So that is the first word process: environmental aspect and environmental impact. So for the network process, construction activity, civil work and mechanical erection. So the environmental aspect too is water disposal. Environmental impact too, water disposal we made incinerating was because plastic tend to produce toxic substance such as dioxin. When they are burned, gas from incineration may cause air pollution and contribute to acid rain. Why the ash from incinerator may contain heavy metal and other toxins. So for the recommendation, water reuse mean using an item more than once. This include conventional reuse, where the item is used again for the same function, and new life reuse, is where it is used for a new function. For example, concrete is a type of construction waste which can be recycled and used as a base for road. So that is the second word process. So for the last word process is construction activity, operation activity. Last environmental aspect is operation of ammonia and urea process plant. Ammonia and urea are two chemicals which are very important. Most of the ammonia is used on site in the production of urea. So the environmental impact tree, ammonia pollution will affect species composition through soil acidification, direct toxic damage to leaf, and by altering the susceptibility of plant to frost, drought, and pathogen. At in most serious, certain sensitive and iconic habitat may be lost. So the recommendation, maintenance practice. Ammonia leak occurring from process equipment can be easily controlled by applying capture device to collect the fugitive emission. So the vapor may be conveyed to a control device such as a filter always scrubber for treatment. Ammonia absorbed by the filter may be retrieved and reintroduced into the process which is economically. So that are three work process, environment, environmental aspect, and environmental impact. The first work process is construction activities. So the first work process for construction activity is site preparation. The environmental aspect is soil clearing and land leveling. For the next work process, uh, at construction site, like at construction activity is civil work and mechanical erection. The environmental aspect is water disposal. And for the construction activity is operation activity. That the environmental aspect is operation of ammonia and urea process plant. Thank you for the presentation. Thank you, madam.